What if you could have a brownie that was actually good for you? No compromise on taste, just pure fudgy goodness made from things you can actually pronounce. Let's make it happen. We need majdool date for the deep caramel sweetness. This right here is our magic ingredient. Sweet, sticky, and packed with fiber. These dates are what give our brownie its incredible texture and natural sweetness, no sugar needed. For creaminess and a hit of plant-based protein, we are using 1 cup of peanut butter. We are using handful of almonds and walnuts for a satisfying crunch and a healthy fats. And for a little burst of tartness to balance it all, we are using cranberries. In a food processor or a grinder, add all the base ingredients: dates, peanut butter, almonds, walnuts, and cranberries. We are throwing it all in and letting the machine do the work. Watch as it transforms into the one kind of a brownie dough. See that it should hold together when you press it. Into our baking dish it goes. Now we need to lock in that fudgy density. We are pressing this down with some serious intention. Get it nice and compact. Now for the crowning glory, we are melting down some rich dark chocolate. This is all about pure indulgence. Just look at it. To get a shiny texture on top, just add 1 teaspoon of butter while melting the chocolate. Immediately use the back of the spoon to make elegant swirls in the chocolate. Then sprinkle the garnish. Pouring this over the top is just therapy. While it's still wet, we are adding our final flourish with those chopped nuts and cranberries. It's all about texture and color. With a little patience in the fridge, this is what we get: a firm, sliceable, decadent treat. It's rich, it's satisfying, and it's made from the best. If you love this 5-minute miracle, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy, healthy recipes. See you in the next one.